Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and a precise template so the mesh sits flush and doesn't rattle. Cut a paper pattern directly from the eye opening, transfer it to mesh and mark a 2-3 mm flange for attachment. Once done, clamp the mask in a vise or use soft jaw pliers to avoid crushing the foam or resin. Make small pilot cuts with snips, then use a Dremel to refine curved edges. This gives cleaner curves and prevents gaps when you fit the mesh. You now shape the mesh to match the eye cup geometry. Use a rounded mandrel or your mask's eye cavity and form with pliers for consistent curvature. Heat brass slightly to bend without kinks. For stainless, bend incrementally to avoid springback. Once shaped, smooth cut edges with needle files and fold a small flange under to hide sharpness and increase gluing surface. Then pre-drill tiny holes for rivets or mark epoxy contact points. You finish by permanently securing the mesh. Rivets give mechanical strength, epoxy gives seamless look. Choose based on mask material. Make sure the mesh sits flush and hide hardware with inner trim or foam for comfort. Once fixed, seal and paint the mesh with matte paint to reduce shine, then add internal shading so the eyes read solid from a distance while preserving your sight lines. If visibility is poor or glare appears, rework with matte spray or slightly enlarge apertures by 1 notch to balance concealment and vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.